Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Kevin Love. We're gonna keep these videos coming on in. It's your boy. Here's another special request from Unleashed Gangs. He wanted to see the Hoover Elite2, my 6.5 amp one that I got last summer. I got this one last summer for $5 at Goodwill. So here she is. I keep it short and simple. This was another one of those Kmart brands. Man, I miss Kmart. Anyway, here it is. Yeah, man, that's back when they knew how to make good vacuums. Now everything that they put out today is just lame, weak, cheap. They new shit today is just whack, like super whack. So to all you vacuum companies out there, y'all suck, bro. And I'm not talking about the good suck. Like, y'all suck. Like, y'all new vacuums are trash, bro. Like totally trash. Compared to these, see, these were good models. Anyway, Unleashed Gangs, go ahead, come and watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy Kevin Love, and I'm out. Peace. Deuces.